everyone. So we are at Metal Forming Show 2024 happening here in Bombay Exhibition Center. And what a pleasure to host Mr. DK Sharma sir. Welcome to our booth first
Thank
of all.
you.
In our Ask the Expert column, we discussed quite a few things about how we can improvise on the tool rooms and other things. So talking about particularly now Metal Forming Show and about this show, what do you feel that the metal forming industry is heading towards?
So I'm very happy to be a part of this Metal Forming Expo. The organizers invited me to inaugurate the show, which is good. What I find here is, once again, which I had mentioned, a lot of enthusiasm. I had not expected this. The Metal Forming Show, it is happening for the first time in Goregaon, Mumbai. So I had not expected this kind of a response on day one, and that too in the morning half. A lot of footfalls. But what I see over here, once again, I would like to emphasize the enthusiasm with which the entrepreneurs are displaying their products. I think predominantly it has become a laser cut show. A lot of people in water jet cutting and laser cut have displayed. The kind of products and the quality which is on display is nothing short of world class. And I interacted with a few of them. Everyone is very, very up and ready for grabbing even the overseas market. The format of this machine, the footprint of the machine is very large by nature. But they are willing to take such large machines even overseas. So this is the key which I find. A lot of them have already served the clients who are well-known names in the manufacturing domain, whether it is L&T, it is Godrej, or many such Kirloskar. I see that we have a very bright future. The economy is expanding. Product range for which the demand is coming from Europe and from the developed world. People are withdrawing from China, and then now they are seriously looking at us in India. So we are nothing short of ready to take this market, a big chunk. So I see a very bright future. And one more observation I've seen that a lot of such exhibitions are coming at a frequent interval, whether it is gear manufacturing, whether it is tool making. But the kind of money people are spending on displaying the machine, the enthusiasm, the innovativeness, the eagerness with which they talk and pull the potential clients. This is happening, which has never happened before. So these are my, observations.
And as you earlier said, a lot of collaborative opportunities are forming, and
huge.
It is getting implemented. And I think the credit goes to these kind of shows.
So with such shows, people are getting benefited. That is why they are willing to spend money. Otherwise, I've seen that people used to be skeptical about whether to put in this kind of a money in some other promotion or participate in the exhibition. But I think exhibitions have taken off well, and I wish them good luck, and you too.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for sparing your time with us, sir. It's always good to hear you.